This off with Ansley Hale. Oh, it makes me want to go to Kentucky Derby time. Love that hat, kiddo. Love that hat. A happy 5th birthday to Ansley in Columbus.
I need to get my hat. I got till May 1st. Working on that.
That's good. That's a good look right there.
Yeah. All right, Kelsey, Pickle is 7 strong this year, and she's got the shirt to prove it there. Kelsey is in Knoll, Missouri.
That's a cool shirt. I love
like
that. That's too good. Now, speaking of 7s, we're going to get on a roll right here. It's like 7 times 2 plus 1 equals Patrick Mahomes. Mm-hmm. Some kind of math like that. Cole Casper, C squared, the big 7, he's in Devon.
If you think about it, it takes 2 7 strong.
Oh, and I didn't know it.
Plus 1.
7 in Devon.
I like it.
And we love our alliteration around here. Happy birthday, Big Cole.
Well, if we're on a 7 strong kick, let's just continue it on with Josiah.
Oh, I love that look.
Oh, what a cutie there. I love the suspenders. Oh, I love suspenders, Josiah. Got a pair myself. Need a second. And Josiah is, of course, 7 years old.
Well played, Josiah. Well, I like the hat, too.
Yeah.
The kid's got it. Oh.
And the bow tie.
Did you think we're done?
No, let's do one
How
more.
did this dude get to be 7?
Wow.
Yeah, that's called time flying right there. Jameson Walker. Kid, you have just a marvelous family, dude. And I'm very proud to wish you a very happy birthday. Jameson's a 1st grader. He's at Colgan. And Jameson, I want you to know that these birthday wishes come from Grammy and Papa. And I tell you what, there ain't a sport this dude don't like. And you know why he's smarter than me? Well, he's smarter than me because it's me. He loves math.
Mm-hmm. Go far with that, kid.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
Jameson, if I ever have a problem, you're going to come tutor me, dude.
All right, let's move on from our 7-year-olds and add 1 to get 8 for Kylie Horn. Kylie is in Coffeyville. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. And now I'm like Pavlov's dog looking at the chips that she got to enjoy there at the restaurant. Mm-hmm. Birthday, what do you think? Birthday supper maybe?
Maybe, yeah.
I don't know.
Like it.
Anyway, Kylie, I think I just got you a birthday supper from Mom and Dad, didn't I?
She's going to be eating some Mexican.
Kylie, don't tell me you want birthday supper tonight.
Well, coming up Sunday, Piper Albert will be turning 8 years old. Piper is in Yates Center.
Sorry, I didn't know you were going to jump me on it. I like her drink. I like the picture, though. That's great. All right, on to the 9-year-olds, because what is it with these beautiful hats we have this morning? This is marvelous. Hayden Long, she is celebrating her 9th birthday in Webb City. Hayden, love your hat as well, kid.
All right, and we've got Izzy Vale turning 12 years old this year. Izzy is in Valita, Kansas, with extra love from Aunt Sadie and the rest of the family.
Hey, I know Iz. The Grizzly shirt. Check it out. Nicely played, Iz. Nicely played. Jeremiah Kephart, now a teenager. Congratulations, kiddo. Well, young man, I should say. He is now 13 in Thayer.
All right. Jesse Dietz is
What's up,
sweet
Jesse?
16 this year. I hope it's a great one, Jesse, in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday from Mom, Dad, and Casey.
Happy birthday, Jesse. That's a good family. I love that. That family's been so good to me. Levi Duncan. Oh, what a great picture right there. Number 29. Happy birthday, Levi and Chanute. That is, I don't use the word precious too much. That's a good one.
You have to.
I like that.
All right, down to Fairland, Oklahoma for a 37th birthday wish going out to Stephanie Bedford. Hope it's a great one, Stephanie.
Larry Cochran Jr. Whoa, get out of here.
That's a big one.
That's a good one right there. Larry, this birthday wish comes from all of us at KOM and with love from the family.
Sharon Clef Men turning 77 years old in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Sharon.
And Bob York, our good friend, he is celebrating his 88th birthday. Mr. York, you know that we love you. Of course, you are one of Will York's, our own Will York's uncle. And yes, Will, I do know where your uncle lives. I've known your uncle for a long time. Happy birthday, Bob, and special birthday wishes from Will as well, sir.
All right. Happy 94th birthday wish going out to Grandma Grunt. Yes, Margaret Turner down in Fairland with love from friends and family and all of us here at KWAM.
Yeah, you can tell who gets spoiled on Halloween, right? Maggie Mooney, a very happy birthday to you. Miss Maggie, she is celebrating in Columbus.
All right, and Charla King in Columbus, happy birthday to you.
In the NAC, Karen Gorens. Happy birthday, Karen. Want you to have a marvelous day.
The Hamiltons are celebrating their 55th anniversary in Jasper, Missouri. Congrats going out to Merle and Joyce Hamilton.
Are you ready? Who that is? Yeah, our own Gary Sisko celebrating a birthday as well. Master control operator. For those of you that don't know Gary, he is just absolutely marvelous to work with. That dude has never showed up without a smile on his face, and he absolutely makes my afternoons when he walks in. Carolyn Williams, a happy birthday to you, ma'am. Mary Lou Wilson. Now, Mary Lou is celebrating her 94th birthday, and a very happy birthday to Mary Lou and Schnoop. But get this, Mary Lou's turning 94. She's only been retired 2 years.
Oh my goodness.
Mary Lou, I hope your birthday and your retirement are going well now that you've had 2 years to enjoy retirement. And Herbert Stratton, a happy 78th birthday in Joplin. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
All right. You can be a part of the KWAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KWAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KWAM Birthday Club today.